Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best electric tricycles of 2026, a perfect solution for adults, seniors, and anyone looking for a comfortable, eco-friendly, and fun way to get around. Electric trikes are becoming super popular because they combine stability, power, and convenience. You get the freedom of a bike, the stability of a trike, and the power of an electric motor. In this video, we'll cover each model's specs, performance, pros, and cons, and I'll give you my recommendations so you can pick the best one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. Our first pick is the VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. This trike comes in 24 or 26-inch wheels, has a 468 watt-hour removable battery, and a motor that delivers 250 watts nominal power and 500 watts peak. It supports riders up to 330 pounds, so it's sturdy and safe. The large rear basket is perfect for groceries or daily errands, and the design makes mounting and riding easy for seniors. Riding experience. The ride feels smooth and stable, even on bumpy city streets. You can handle gentle hills without struggling. Pros. Reliable motor and smooth ride. Removable battery for easy charging. Large rear basket. Cons. Heavier to lift manually. Moderate top speed. This is an excellent option for anyone looking for comfort and reliability. Number 2. PUCKIPUPPY Dual Battery Electric Tricycle. Next is the PUCKIPUPPY Dual Battery Electric Tricycle. What makes this one stand out is its dual battery system that gives an impressive 110-mile range. It's powered by a 960-watt peak motor, so hills, mountains, and rough terrain aren't a problem. The 20-inch fat tires improve traction and comfort, and the trike can carry up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for heavy loads or adventure trips. Riding experience. This trike is fun to ride, especially for longer trips. The dual batteries ensure you can go far without worrying about running out of juice. Pros. Long range for extended trips. Powerful motor handles hills easily. Large rear basket for cargo. Cons. Larger and bulkier. This is ideal for people who love adventure or need a long-range trike for commuting and errands. Number 3. ANCHEER Electric Tricycle. Third is the ANCHEER Electric Tricycle. With a 350-watt motor, 550 watts peak, and 48-volt, 499-watt-hour battery, it offers a speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a range of up to 55 miles. It also folds, which is perfect for storage or transport. The rear differential improves handling, and the basket makes it practical for daily errands. Riding experience. Lightweight and maneuverable, this trike handles city streets very well. Folding is smooth, making it easy to store in small spaces. Pros. Foldable design, rear differential for smoother turns, good range for daily commuting. Cons. Smaller frame may not fit taller riders comfortably. Slower top speed. Perfect for urban riders or anyone who needs a practical, foldable trike. Number 4. 7-speed electric tricycle. Fourth, we have a 7-speed electric tricycle for adults featuring a 48-volt, 624 watt-hour removable battery, dual disc brakes, and speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour. The trike can last up to 70 miles in PAS 1 mode, which is perfect for long rides. Riding experience. The 7-speed gears give you control on hills or varied terrain. Dual disc brakes provide extra safety, especially for heavier riders or steep descents. Pros. Long-lasting battery, 7-speed transmission for versatile riding, dual disc brakes for safety. Cons. Larger size may be harder in tight areas, slight learning curve with gears. If you want a trike for longer rides and safe hill handling, this is a great choice. Number 5. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. Our final pick is another VIRIBUS model. Specs are similar to the first. 24 or 26-inch wheels, 468 watt-hour removable battery, and 500-watt peak motor. It's built to last, comfortable, and easy to ride, especially for seniors or casual riders. Pros. Reliable build quality, comfortable ride, easy battery removal. Cons. Limited top speed, slightly heavy. This is perfect for those who want a dependable and stable trike for everyday use. And that wraps up our top 5 electric tricycles of 2026. From long-range adventure rides to compact foldable options, there's an electric trike for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our future reviews. Which trike would you ride first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.